Good morning, my doers. A lot of businesses have to deal with the fact that, well, sometimes products break and you can't fix them in Odoo. We have a solution, the scrap button now scrapping. Components or finished products helps you keep track of your inventory and costs easier than ever before. The scrap button is especially useful if components are irreparably damaged in transit or if a product is broken during the manufacturing process because Steve sucks at making things. Let's take a look at how both of those situations play out. Database. So here we are inside the accounting app in order to create a new expenses account to record our losses from scrap products. So we'd want to go to configuration and chart of accounts. That new button up there allows us to make a new account, but for the purposes of this demo, I've already created the account that we'll be using. So let's see how it's configured. Making your way to the code column. This is a unique number that basically helps us identify the account. For the name, I've set hours to production. Losses, so that we know what we want to use it for now. I've also set the account type as an expenses account type now. This means that the account is one of several expense accounts. To track the operating cost in our company, we also have a general expenses account, but in this case, we want to track production losses separately since we're literally throwing money in the trash, all right? Now that we can leave accounting land. That wasn't so bad, right? Let's move on, alrighty. Make your way over to the inventory app because we're going to check a few settings off and products. So first, click on configuration and settings, scroll down and make sure storage locations has been checked doing. So we'll enable this scrap location, which we can actually access by clicking on this location's link right there, and I always show you this. We're going to go up to configuration locations, remove that filter and select virtual. Location slip or right now virtual. Locations have two main implications in Odoo. First, moving our scrap material to a virtual location indicates that it's no longer physically in our warehouse stock.